That sounded like Canadian geese going by. All right, who's up, Bob? Mark from Albany's going to give it a shot. Oh, Martin, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Martin. Let's see. Hey, let's give him a round of applause. All right, what's your name? Where are you from?
Stefan from Saratoga.
All right, Stefan from Saratoga, take your best shot. I hear air. I hear more air. There's no switch. You gotta play. Like this. Takes a lot of air, doesn't it? All right, let's give him a round of applause. Nick. Lauren from Troy. Oh, okay. There we go. Go ahead, Lauren. Give it a shot. Ah, the Canadian geese are back. The Canadian geese have arrived. All right. Anybody else? Anybody else brave enough to